Hey yo tout le monde, c'est Cool Raoul. Aujourd'hui une nouvelle vidéo pour la suite de GTA 4. Oula les lags. Alors, donc voilà, le jeu s'est réinstallé, tout ça, j'ai désactivé tous les modes, bazar, tout ça. Le seul truc que j'ai réinstallé c'est le bruit réaliste. Voilà. Et le mode menu. C'est tout. Rien d'autre. J'ai pas mis de trucs véhicules, pack de textures, tout ce qui s'ensuit, tout ça, tout ça. Ah oui, j'ai aussi mis le sang réaliste aussi, j'ai mis. Ouais, j'ai juste mis ça. Mais en fait, ça va, ça, tu vois, ça fait pas bugger. Du coup, c'est tranquille, tu vois. Du coup, c'est à l'aise. Franchement, on peut jouer tranquille. Alors, aussi, un truc, je vais pas toucher au graphisme aussi. Du coup, je vais laisser les graphismes tels qu'ils sont. Donc, on va aller voir Vlad.
Ah, fuck you! You're a bunch of pussies and fags!
Nice.
I'm going back to the meeting!
Good.
I'm going to be somebody!
Yeah. See you later,
You
Mel.
always learn, asshole, Mickey!
Hey, watch where you're going.
Hey! Hey!
I tried to tell you.
Fuck
to.
you!
Excuse me.
Sorry, man. I see you later, okay? Yoko, Fete Romanskaza. What's your name again?
Big mouth prick.
Veracassus. Sit down. Cousin, Nico. That's it, Nico. Not Big Mouth Prick. You're a funny guy.
I try.
Yes, and this one's, I'll let you take this shit out of
Take this shit?
me. Yes, Mickey about.
I don't understand.
Ah, people who fuck with me get fucked with.
Okay, fine. Calm down.
Whatever. Some old man not paid me in months. And I'm not kind of person who's treated this way. Old bastard owns a china shop in the Camden Avenue in Dukes. Here you go. Don't hurt him. Just teach him a lesson.
I don't need a bat to teach a lesson.
Bon, alors, du coup, je dois aller au lavage de linge. À ce qui paraît, je sais pas, c'est apparemment ça. Pour aller voir un mec qui, soi-disant, n'a pas payé sa dette. I don't wanna die. Bah, tu vas mourir. Ah non, c'est pas le... Ah non, c'est le chinois.
You have great protection money, old man.
Ouais.
Big Vlad and his protection money? I'm scared. What I need protection from? You think this door is going to save your shop? There's shit I can break out here. Vlad should pay me to tell punks like you to go away. He get no money.
Alors le chinois, comme ça, tu veux pas payer? Ah bah tu vas voir mon vieux, tu vas voir ce que c'est que de ne pas payer. Je prends ça, tu vois, regardez les jeunes, je vais vous apprendre comment casser une vitre. Alors vous prenez un caillou, enfin un pavé comme celui-ci, hein, peu importe la marque. Vous visez la vitre et vous lancez. Voilà.
Stop it, shitbrain. I pay up now. I pay up. Here's the money. I hope you and Vlad choke on it. Sure, whatever.
Ouais, c'est ça. Ok, c'est bon. Donc maintenant, on retourne voir Vlad.
Hey, Yoko. You managed to do the job? Get Vlad his money?
He paid up. I had to smash the shop up pretty good, but he paid.
Don't worry your little peasant head about it. Stupid jerk made a mistake of telling me how much he gets that shit for back east. He's the biggest crook in the neighborhood. Lucky I don't tell his customers what they're paying for.
That it? Can I go now?
Sure. Get out of my face.
Comment il parle mal ce fils de chien? Il a crié par là à qui ce trou du cul en fait. Moi un pugno qui me parle ainsi, gitan, je te mets une claque pas deux frère, t'as vu? Et si jamais tu me reparles encore une fois que t'as pas compris la leçon, cousin, je te passe à tabac mon vieux, mais toi tu sais même pas. On a un message de ce putain de gros porc. Alors qu'est-ce qu'il veut? Passe me voir Pecno, j'ai encore du boulot pour toi. Ah ben mon vieux, tu vas attendre. Le Pecno, comme tu dis si bien, va faire attendre la grosse vache qui doit se faire allaiter, tu vois ce que je veux dire? Parce que ici j'ai un vrai pote qui m'attend.
It's Nico.
Nico, yeah, me bleach hard last night, you know. The stone come, yo, that's what I.
What?
What, Nico?
Hey,
Glad to see the man, you know. Want to mind my Roman.
Roman.
Mm,
He's okay. He's still waiting for his big break, eh?
big break. Sure, I promise I'll come to a fool in a Nico. A boy for creep before him can walk, you know.
Yeah.
Anyway, Let's go for a little drive. Come.
Il y a que les imbéciles qui savent faire marcher. J'ai pas compris, frère. Fais le tour par derrière au cas où il y aurait. Garde la caisse au cas où on serait obligé de se barrer. Bon, qu'est-ce qu'on attend là? Ah, ils avaient que dalle. Bute-les. S'ils sortent par derrière. Ok. Eh ben, salaud, bande de fiottes, allez, venez là. Enfin, notre drère, bien ou quoi? Ma boy, je suis là. Enfin, ah, vas-y, monte. Sale type, ça vient d'où? Oh, toujours avec le patch, lui, toujours. Ah, on va carrément. Ah ouais.
Yes.
Oh. Qu'est-ce qu'on fait maintenant? On fait comme ça ou quoi? Comment ça se passe? On va se faire ça dans la dentelle. D'accord. Ne reste jamais devant une porte quand tu fais ça. Jamais. Yo, my boy. Oh putain, le bâtard. Ouais. Oh putain, il m'a fait tellement peur, j'allais lui tirer dessus. Vas-y, viens ma boy, t'inquiète, on va tailler d'ici avant que les keufs se ramènent, t'inquiète. Je te ramène au café. Vas-y ma boy, t'inquiète, ça va aller. Ok ma boy. Tracasse.
See you later.
Ouh, un jeu de fléchette avec grand plaisir mon grand. Je vais l'atomiser ce mec, il le sait même pas. Moi aux fléchettes, je suis imbattable. C'est comme au bowling. Enfin notre drère, vas-y monte à sale chien. Allez ma bûche. Au lieu de me raconter tes singeries, tes histoires de cul tout. Ok. Alors je tremble mais c'est pas grave. Je tremble parce que je suis en manque. Hop. Tu marques, ok. Merde. Ok, 201, c'est pas grave. Putain, le man, il a fait exactement la même chose que moi. On va faire un 60. Merde! Mais allez, mais non! Eh, Frangin, tu te fous de ma gueule ou quoi? Voilà. Il me reste 101. T'inquiète, regarde. Ici, je fais ça. Hop. Donc il me reste 100, on est d'accord. Là ici, il me reste 40. Et boum! Allez ma bête! Qu'est-ce que tu vas faire? Alors les fléchettes, c'est obligé de finir avec un x2. Obligé. J'ai pas un truc dans l'œil. J'y vois pas très clair. C'est sûrement pour ça que tu m'as battu. Tu veux bien me ramener? Bien sûr mon grand. Allez ma biche. Bien sûr. La porte. La porte s'il te plaît jeune homme. Non? Toujours pas? D'accord.
Have your license revoked. What? My friend, smoking in a bar is a crime. Plain and simple.
You joking, right? This is a joke. Yeah, you're playing
Hey,
a joke.
Mallory, tell Fettig his cousin is okay. He just walked in. Great girl.
Yeah? Stay away from her.
Of course. Now listen, you did good with the business they added. But now one more peasant is trying to avoid paying.
Who?
Moskovsky jerk who owns the laundry in the Masterson Street. Thinks in this country business is done different. Says he will call cops on us.
Okay. So?
Jerk needs to be taught a lesson. Give him a bit. Let him know mine is right.
Hey! Stop that smoking back there!
Marshal!
Easy, buddy.
Go on, do what you gotta do. But remember, you see a cop, you don't know.
I see anyone, I don't know you.
Ho, ho. Алло, Ладковый. Да, что ты хочешь? Быстрее, я очень занят.
Alors ma boy, Qu'est-ce qui devient, ce type? Ah, voilà, le lavoir, c'est
I have
lui.
a message from Vlad. Shit! Stay away from me!
Wow! Hein, on se relaxe, man, c'est cool! C'est tout, man, tranquille. Putain, l'enfoiré, qui m'emmerde. Fallait que je lui colle et que je lui fonce dedans.
Why have you not paid Vlad the money you owe him?
I'm going to. I've just been having the trouble getting it together. Vlad is an impatient man.
You will be getting the money to him soon, or your wife shall be using your washing machines to get blood out of your clothes. Do you understand? I do not ask twice for a favor.
Ah, il a parlé anglais, là,
I
hein.
will get it to her. I thought this
Pour nous, il a parlé français.
I spoke to the laundromat owner.
Là, vous voyez, il a bien reçu le message et a décidé de payer. J'aime bien ton style, t'es intimidant quand tu veux. Dommage que tu montes tout le temps, que t'es qu'un pecno ta gueule, allez hop. Voilà, Roman. T'as besoin d'un taxi, tu m'appelles. Ok,
Thank you, cousin. That would be
c'est pour
very
remettre utile dans
useful
cette
in
ville.
this city.
Bien sûr. Ah ouais, pour si jamais, pour Drere qui se demande, ouais, mes vidéos, je les tourne en plusieurs jours, en plusieurs fois, donc je me retrouve avec des clips, des fois de 14 minutes, des fois de 2 minutes, des fois de 16 minutes, tu vois, c'est, voilà. Des fois, je me retrouve avec 50 clips de minutes différentes, voilà, tout simplement. Du coup, on va aller voir Vlad. Clean Getaway.
So she sends me out to
Запомни, если хочешь делать деньги,
Hey,
приходи
Franklin,
работать на меня.
Where can I get
Oh, Yoko, there you are. Okay.
Vlad,
Come on, let's go for a walk, okay?
right.
Okay, come on.
I don't even like
Where are we going?
To my car.
Why?
Because of your cousin owed me a lot of money, and until he pays me, you're fresh off the boat. Yoko, ass is mine. What the fuck you mean why?
Hey, you are a pretty relaxed guy, huh, Vlad?
Come on. Подвинься, старая ведьма. Come on, Yoko.
What's wrong with you? You gonna jump me?
No, I had a late night last night. Spent it with Mikhail.
Great.
Yeah, wild.
Yeah, I guess you're right.
So who the hell is Mikhail?
Mikhail's the man. Shit, my nose is bleeding. Is my nose bleeding?
No, not yet.
Fuck this. Come on. Wait! I'm walking here. Let's go. Damn city, always trying to run you down, huh?
Hey man, can I
Get a job, you deadbeat crackhead.
little change, man.
Man, where do these people get off? Like I'm gonna pay for their drug habit. Well, say something. You're so fucking laid back. Warren, come on. Want some? Good.
We walked all the way over here so you could snort coke?
No, listen. Ah, that's better. Huh? That's better. Man, Mikhail gets the good stuff. It's got some laxative in it, though. Gives you a stomach problem.
Nice detail.
Yeah, listen, where were we?
I don't know.
Oh, yeah. So, I need you to head up to Duke's and get a car for me. It's a silver blister, and it's parked on the project by EIC subway station. Okay?
Sure. You got keys?
No, you're cool. I need you to take the car. Asshole owes Mikhail some money. Take his car instead, huh?
We're gonna drive over there?
What?
Are we gonna drive over there?
No. You're gonna take the train, buddy. You think I want to be in the car with a peasant? Come on. I'm gonna go meet somebody. Have a little
Okay.
party.
Fine. Have fun, dickhead.
Ah ouais, eh, frangin, c'est propre, hein. Enfin, propre. Si vous allez ici à la gare du Nord, à Drere, Michel, vous allez vous faire accoster par tous les dealers tous les dealers sans papier, tout laisse tomber, salope. Qu'il y a que ça en plus. Je relâche. Hein. Oh putain, on s'est transpercé. Oui, nos âmes se sont croisées. T'es mon âme sœur, ça y est. Avec la chaleur, je vous jure, j'ai du mal à me concentrer. J'ai tendance des fois même à ne plus parler pendant X temps.
It belongs to Vlad now.
Ah putain, vas-y, pousse ta merde, gros. Allez hop. Non, franchement, c'est chaud. Vraiment, c'est chaud. Bon, écoute.
You scared now, right?
T'as pas peur du flingue, gros? T'es sûr de toi? Tu veux te la jouer comme ça, gros? T'es sûr? Mais wesh!
And fuck you.
Ouah, ça, ce sont des mecs de cité, ça. wesh, gros, t'es sérieux? Ils ont pas peur du flingue, quoi. Je leur tire dessus, même. Pour leur montrer que c'est un vrai, ils ont pas peur. Non, ils s'en foutent. Bon, alors, le box. Ah, ils appellent ça le box. Putain, nous aussi, des fois, on dit le box au lieu des garages. On dit, ouais, viens, on va au box. On va se poser là-bas et tout. Ah, putain, sale merde, ok. On est de l'ancienne gênée, nous. Hein, putain. Alors, even the not so terrible.
Hey, how you doing?
Hey, Mickey,
What do you have?
glass of water.
Glass of water.
Bang, bang, you are dead. Wake up, you moron.
You got me?
Come over here. Sit down. You remember Ivan?
No.
Guy you saw me talking to. This guy. This guy.
Oh, yes. You guys had a little kiss.
Very funny. What would you say if I told you he was going to rob your cousin?
I'd say, what problem has he got with my cousin?
Hold on. Hey, hey, gorgeous. No, I can't talk right now. What are you wearing? No, I'm underneath it. Great. Listen, I'll call you back, huh? Sorry,
Who was that?
never you mind.
Was it Ivan?
Ooh, that's funny. You know, for a dumb yokel, you're a very funny guy.
Yes. And for an annoying dick, you're really an annoying dick.
Well, it's a real shame then that I am the guy with the powerful friends, and you're the little punk whose only friends is some fat weasel who drives a fucking cab!
So, why is Ivan going to rob my cousin?
Because I want you to kill him.
What?
He's angered Mikhail, Mr. Falsi. Offended him. He think he's stealing some paperwork from her mom. You catch him and kill him. Then we say it was just a robbery that failed.
And what if I say, I don't want to be your hitman?
Then Mr. Faustin will be very angry with you. And your cousin.
Okay.
I knew we would understand each other once I put it in this simple way. Now, go wait for him by the car depot. Hey, gorgeous. Yeah, where were we? Okay, now listen.
Ce fils de pute, il est en appel avec la meuf de mon cousin. Mais après, la meuf aussi, elle est bizarre, Mallory, là. Elle est en kiff sur Roman. Et elle baise avec ce gros porc, là. Ce gros fils de pute. Elle aussi, c'est une femme bizarre. Alors, j'ai complètement oublié la voiture. Alors, du coup, ce que je vais faire, c'est que je vais spawn à chaque fois la destination. Et ça me fait atterrir sur lui. Parce que je dois le suivre. Du coup, bah, j'ai pas le choix que de jouer comme ça. Parce que si j'ai le temps que je me fasse spawn un véhicule, bah c'est mort en fait. J'aurai jamais le temps. Ah bah super, le jeu il a bugué, magnifique. Gros, t'as putain de bagnole qui te gêne, oh là là, qui sont biais. Vas-y, je te suis mon grand. Mais que j'ai fait niquer le script. Oh putain, c'est ce salaud de Vlad qui m'a tendu un piège. Bah ouais, c'est le genre de mec ainsi, ça se voit, putain, c'est le genre de merde ainsi. Bah alors Ivan, où tu comptes aller comme ça? Hein, loulou? Où c'est que tu vas, sale gros con? Bon,
Get up.
lève-toi.
Once you're dead, you can't be all bad. Stay out of Hove Beach.
Thank you. You won't regret this, man. I am out of here. Wanted to live anyway, get away from all these people from back home. Get into the real America. You're never gonna see me around here again. I owe you my life, man. You're a good man. You're a good man. Thank you.
C'est gentil mon grand de me dire que je suis quelqu'un de bien. Maintenant, il est l'heure de passer aux choses sérieuses. Vlad, allez, on appelle le gros cochon.
You won't be seeing your boyfriend Ivan no more. Oh, are you going to miss him?
No, I'm not. I'm getting enough pussy at the moment. I tell you, it's so much better if women already have a man, because you don't have to deal with all this shit all day. Take Mallory, for example.
Fuck you! You say this to my face and I will break you! Hey, what's wrong?
Yeah, cousin. Bullshit.
What's bullshit?
Mallory.
Oh, what about her?
I like her. I really like her.
But you keep messing around with other women.
Yeah. No. I think she's messing around with Vlad. I saw his car parked outside her place the other day.
Yeah.
You knew?
I had suspicions.
You fucking knew?
What was I going to say?
You knew my woman was banging this warthog and you didn't do anything?
I
Didn't say anything?
I didn't know.
You're an asshole, Nico Bellic! A disloyal user! After what I did for you, you dick! You fucking dick!
I'm sorry.
Screw you!
All right, so you want me to deal with it right now?
No. Sit down.
No! I'm not going to stand here and have you call me disloyal. You might let some Russian asswipe bang your woman, but I won't.
But you fucking did!
That was before I knew you cared. You always were a hypocrite.
Nico, wait. Don't do anything stupid. Wait for me!
Honnêtement, Nico Bellic, ce serait bien moi dans la vraie vie, ça. Moi, je laisserais pas mon pote ou mon cousin ou qui que ce soit sombrer dans la dépression à cause d'une meuf, parce que la meuf a décidé de se taper un autre fils de pute. On va aller voir cet enculé de sa mère.
Anyway, я говорю, про капусту. Зачем нужно жрать капусту, если есть картошка?
Hey,
Картошка!
bloody boy! I'd like a word with you.
What are you doing here? Did I summon you?
Boy, I told you to stay away from Mallory.
Ah, go away!
And now Roman is upset.
Oh, Roman is upset.
Excuse me.
Do you think I give a fuck, peasant? Oh, there he is. Hey, fatty, I'm so sorry you're so upset. Oh, poor fucking whore.
Hey, Vlad, can't we just talk about this?
You stay away from Mallory.
I must be hearing things. I could have sworn for a minute this ratty little yokel told me what to do. Did you hear that voice?
Yeah.
Now, get them out of here. Come on.
Get back outside, Roman.
Je m'en bats les couilles, c'est quoi? Je vais tester un truc vite fait, bien fait. D'accord. Ah ouais, en fait, il est immortel, quoi. Eh, mon gros lard.
You can get away with killing me?
I guess I'll find out.
You think this is worth it? You're throwing you and your fatty cousin's lives away for that bit of Puerto Rican chocha!
I'm throwing your life away, prick. We'll do all right.
My friends will track you down! You won't last a moment!
I'll last longer than you will, shithead.
Fuck you! I wish I could be there to watch Mikhail cut your peasant balls off!
You've killed yourself and your cousin, Yokel. You're dead man. Half Beach is a small place. My friends will find you.
You were the stupid one, Vladdy boy. Nobody fucks with my family. Ah, you're a big boy, Vladdy.
Nico!
Well, I guess this is over.
What have you done?
What does it look like?
We're dead!
No, he's dead. We're fine.
He has powerful friends. Serious people. I told you to be calm, you halted the jump!
I am calm. He tried to kill us. He screwed your girlfriend. What do you expect? I give him a massage?
Shit! Shit!
When I was in the army, we were going on a mission to ambush a squad who had killed a lot of innocent people. They were our enemies, but we never did it. There were 15 of us, all boys from the village. But one of us betrayed the group. It was a setup. For money. 12 people died. 3 escaped. I know the traitor was not me. So for 10 years, I've been searching for the other two. One of them lives here.
Why are you telling me this now? Do you always get sentimental after you kill people?
You kept asking.
Wonderful. You're here on some revenge mission for something that happened 10 years ago, and you don't care whose life you ruin anyway.
No,
Well, what?
I don't know. I just want to know why they did it.
Well, right now, I don't think you're going to find out. Let's hide the body, at least for a while.
Put him in the river.
I feel Faustin is going to kill us. Shit. We should get out of here.
You go. I'll catch up with you later.
Allô, Roman.
Nico, are you there, cousin?
Roman, I'm here. What are you doing? Why do you wish?
Shot.
I am on Vestal Street, near Perestroika. Come, Nico, quick!
Quoi, il se passe quoi? Ah ouais, c'est vrai, il y a aussi les drôles de personnages là. Qu'est-ce qu'il veut lui? Ça a l'air d'être un toc. Ouais, tellement sa tête, frère. T'as vu sa tête ou pas? Oh, check ça, il est coqué. Mais c'est un coqué, ça se voit, c'est un drogué.
Yes, comrade, I am good. There is no I, there is only we. It is a glorious system, comrade.
Excuse me?
You're excused, comrade. You're excused. Now go and mind salt for 50 years.
You're a dick.
I'm a rich dick, friend. I'm young and rich and loaded. Tell you what, have $100 on Uncle Sam, Benjamin motherfucking Franklin. Freedom! This coke is okay.
Ouais les gars, je voulais vous montrer un truc. Donc ça c'est mon personnage et en fait elle c'est Michel et en fait il s'est passé un sale truc quand je voulais sortir avec elle, faire une balade au bowling. En fait je sais pas ce qui s'est passé. elle a volé. Elle s'est tapé la vitre. Je sais pas, j'ai rien compris de ce qui s'est passé, tu vois. Et elle a volé en fait, tu vois. T'imagines, t'es là, tu veux sortir de la bagnole et ta meuf elle te fait ça. Hop là. Bon alors Roman, qu'est-ce qui se passe ma loute?
Where are you, Roman?
Psst, Nico.
Roman, what are you doing in the dumpster, man?
Are they there?
What are you talking about? Get out of there, man.
I'm freaking out, man. I'm being followed. I saw them.
Don't be ridiculous. You're being paranoid.
Fuck you. Fuck you. Everything was fine, and then you show up, and now we're dead. Because Faustin is a psychopath. He's going to kill us. Because we killed Vlad. Vlad was his man. That's how it works. You kill their guy, they kill you.
Roman, get out of there, man. Listen to me. Vlad was a piece of trash. They don't care about him. All they care about is making money. So, we say we work for them. Now get out of there. You smell like cabbage.
I don't want to, man. I'm shitting myself. Oh!
Get out of the dumpster, Mr. Fatman. Come on, fatty. The boss wants a little chat. Wake up!
We had to gag him to stop the screaming. You shouldn't have brought them here, Andrei.
Why not? You've been a bad boy, Mr. Barker. And the boss is not happy.
Oh no, I shit my pants.
Not yet, but you will. Who are you working for?
My cousin, Roman. Don't be an idiot.
That's not good enough. I'm gonna saw off your fucking arm. Speak!
Okay. You're dead like sit up the ass. What do you want me to say, huh?
Very funny. Do you think you're so smart?
No! I'm tied up in the basement a long way from home, but some ape threatens me with a hacksaw. So no, I'm not that smart.
Shut the fuck up! My fucking wife is watching television! Good Lord. What are you doing?
Nothing. I mean, I was finding out who he is.
And? Who is he?
He is his cousin.
You were about to cut up some guy in my house, making all that noise to find out he's his cousin. Where did you find this idiot?
He was a friend of your sergeant when we were in Vladivostok.
He's an imbecile. So, Niko Bellic, you think it's okay to kill my employees?
If he is an asshole, yes.
Do it! I agree. Asshole, look at me like I'm a piece of shit.
Боже мой.
Now listen, Niko Bellic. You are very lucky Vlad was an idiot. The only reason I keep him around is because I fucked his sister. Look at me. You owe me. I got some dickheads in my neighborhood trying to run a shipment, yeah?
And we found a buyer for the TVs.
Yes, a buyer. But you've got to get them for us so we can make the sale.
Can you untie Roman?
Хорошо.
Shut up, Roman. Roman, shut up!
Shut him up!
Shut up, Roman! Roman, shut up! Fuck!
Mikhail! Shut up! Stop shooting people, you maniac! My wife doesn't like when people shout!
Whatever! You better get those screens soon!
Or I will personally pull your cousin's stitches out, one by one, and watch his guts spill onto the floor! Clean this shit up!
Listen, we'll take care of your cousin, but you better get a police car. And then you call me.
Roman!
Go! I'll take care of him.
Fuck!
Je sais pas, moi, Roman, la moindre des choses quand tu te fais attraper par quelqu'un, c'est de ne pas faire de bruit en fait. Plus tu fais du bruit, plus on va te faire mal. Enfin, ça me semble logique, je sais pas moi. Ok, ça, je dois juste trouver une bagnole de flic. Bah, il y en a une juste là.
I have the police car. What now?
The van is driving around South Broker. Pull it over, take it to our lockup on Duke Drive.
Be more specific. How many vans you think there are in South Broker?
That's the problem for you and your cousin, not me. Keep pulling vans over until you find the TVs. Goodbye.
Ok, d'accord, ça j'ai pigé, man. Mesdames et messieurs, on se gare sur le bas-côté, s'il vous plaît. Merci bien. Allez hop, voilà. Maintenant, s'il vous plaît, sortez du véhicule.
Get the fuck out of here.
I wouldn't do this. Kenny Petrovic is looking after this truck.
Show me the back. You carrying TVs?
Big fucking mistake.
Oh putain! Shot fire! Shot fire! Ok, c'est bon. On est grillé. Oh putain, ça tire là-bas, là-bas. Voilà. Les vrais hommes se garent comme ça ici. Voilà. Maintenant, on peut sortir tranquillement.
I've left the van where you say. How's Roman?
He's okay. A little scotch, but okay.
Il est un peu méchant, mais ça va. Nicolas a besoin de quelqu'un comme toi. Passe le voir dans ces jours. Un de ces jours. Ouais, mais je m'en fous de toi. Attends, je vais appeler Roman. Comment il va, mon roman? Salut, Nico.
Roman, are you all right?
I was just shot in the
Je me suis
stomach.
fait tirer dessus dans le
And
bide.
then stitched up in the doctor's office that was dirtier than the basement we were nearly tortured in. I'm great.
You sound calm, actually.
That Dimitri guy gave me some painkillers. I'm kind of out of it. If you're near a shop, can you pick up some adult diapers for me? See you later, Nico.
Bon alors, go aller voir Faustin là, ce fils de pute de drogué de merde, avec son petit kleps alias Dimitri. Do you have a protection? Bien sûr.
Hey, Nico.
Hey,
Come in.
thank you.
Lay off that stuff.
Why?
Because it clouds your judgment. Not now, it's not the time.
My judgment. That's a good one. I'm a fool. Drunken fool.
Nico's here. We're going to go take care of that guy. I take it You won't be joining us?
Make him suffer. People forget pain so quickly.
You need to calm down with that stuff.
Calm? Why? So I can be like you, Mr. Barbiturator? Always so fucked up on painkillers, you don't give a shit?
You need to calm down.
Where would we be now if I was calm like you?
Let me guess. In a prison camp in Siberia, or selling hash to tourists in Red Square, or still in the Navy. Which is it today?
Be careful, Dimitri. Be fucking careful.
You be careful. Getting crazy.
That's the way it works. I am angry. You are calm. I scare you reason. It works.
Yes, but you've angered the wrong people. Too many bodies, too much attention will be dealt with if we don't start playing by the rules.
I've angered people. Me? Not we. Strange. When I give out the money, it's us. When I have to push people, it's me. All alone. Don't think I cannot see through you. After all we've done together.
You're getting delusional. Look, we have to go.
I fucking love you.
Yes, yes.
I fucking love you.
I know.
Yes. But you treat me like a child. I run things my way. Dmitri Raskolov. My fucking way! Get out of my sight! Or I fucking kill you!
I'm not saying don't run things your way. I'm saying be calm. Here. Take a couple of these.
What are you still doing here? I said get out of my sight!
Oh putain, se faire régner par un coquet, c'est vraiment pas évident. Alors qui m'utilise... bah c'est super, on doit aller dans un sex shop. C'est super tout ça mon vieux. On peut y aller maintenant. Entrez dans le magasin. Pourquoi c'est un magasin ça?
Where's your boss?
What do you mean? He's,
In the back?
No, he's...
Better not be filming.
No, they're just having a meeting, I swear.
Get out of the way!
Fuck. You see? They don't make them like that no more. That's a vintage Bush. If it wasn't for that, I'd say this weren't worth transferring to DVD.
Hey, Joseph! You think you can expand your business interests, make these pornos and sell them, and we won't know about it,
We
huh?
was just waiting till the books was closed at the end of the financial year. Then we was gonna cut you in.
Your books are closed until you pay us our cut. Nico, take this and cover Joseph.
Ok.
We ain't making that
Toi
much
parle.
cash.
Dépêche-toi parle.
Listen, big guy,
Toi.
you got a great look going on. Real strong. We could put you in one of our films.
Shoot this scumbag in the leg.
Dans la jambe hein.
Hey, right already. That was just trying to be friendly. Shit, he'll be out of action for a couple of weeks.
You got some money for Mr. Faustin?
Fine, here you go. We ain't gonna have the resources.
You should have thought
Voilà.
of that earlier.
Et toi le gros dur.
I got a load of desperate fans on the internet.
Joseph, I thought you were a better businessman than this. We
Ok.
go, Nico.
Donc je dois... Ok d'accord. Et quoi, je vais devoir braquer l'armurier? Tu peux acheter des armes dans plusieurs armureries de Liberty City. Ok. Bon, vous avez l'air de... Vous avez pas l'air d'un flic, vous pouvez... ouais. Acheter un pistolet mitrailleur. Tiens. Examiner. Ça m'a l'air d'être un Uzi ou alors un Mac. Mac 10, je sais pas. Vas-y, j'achète.
Charge Mr. Faustin.
You fucking Ruskies are milking me dry. I ain't a cow.
I ain't Russian.
Ouais. Je suis russe. Hein.
Drive us to Mr. Faustin's.
Alors, conduisez jusque chez Faustin. Eh bé.
Help, Nico.
Bah de rien.
See us at the club soon. Mikhail will be cool by then.
D'accord. Ah, Little Jacob. Quoi de neuf, Nico? Mon boss réel Batman a des ennuis, il est vénère, passe me voir, One Love. Ok, j'arrive. Ok. Je dois rentrer.
Hey!
Oh, sale pute.
Don't move! Don't move, boy. How are you? Eh? Oh, where you come from? How are you?
Hey,
D'où
man, I'm here
tu
to see
venais?
Jacob. It's Nico.
Nico? Batman, what going on there, sir? Some boy does a beat off
Il
the
y a un
door.
bug là qui a
Some boy does call
cogné.
himself Nico, say he want to see a road
Qui
boy.
s'appelle... Oh putain, comment ils ont écrit, wesh. On dirait les jeunes de maintenant.
Sure. Come on, you. Come
Comment il... ouais.
Some novice, see? You go find it when you go up on the corner of Alpha and South Bohan. See? When you go down there, you go see and just deal with them, see? And you'll find out how them work, alright?
Alright.
Alright. You want some of that spliff here?
No, thanks.
You sure?
I'm sure.
Alright, respect.
Mario, pass me some of that thing we have over there, sir.
Alright, yeah, all that.
J'aime bien qu'ils aient écrit autrement les dialogues du mec. D'une façon à ce qu'on comprenne un peu, mais pas trop non plus, tu vois. Moi, ça me fait putain de rire, moi. Bon alors, il est où le dealer qui deal sur le territoire de Batman? Ouais, ma voiture, elle est là. Ouais. Ah, on m'a repéré peut-être. Ah non. C'est de la bonne, je m'as carrément dévalisé. Qu'est-ce qu'il raconte?
Yo, I'm all out of product, dropping in to pick some up. Be ready.
Suis le dealer à pied jusqu'à son fournisseur, reste derrière lui, essaye de ne pas te faire repérer. Ah, d'accord, encore de la corps. Sa mère, j'aime pas ça. Putain, frère, t'es con quoi?
This isn't a good time, Roman. I got another type of shooting on my mind.
Mais il est biais, il a failli me faire repérer cet imbécile de Roman. Tout le temps il m'appelle au mauvais moment ce type, c'est incroyable. Putain il est fou. Le dealer il est dans le bâtiment, mais je dois le suivre, mais je dois pas l'attaquer. Mais frère, les bâtiments ils se ressemblent tous. Hein. Oh là c'est qui Vous êtes qui vous des gardes du corps c'est ça? Je sais pas, mais vous faites quoi là les gars? Ça va mon grand, tranquille. Oh putain. Après on s'étonne pourquoi les immeubles puent la piste, tu m'étonnes mon grand. Là, lui il est en pleine descente lui. Qu'est-ce que tu veux? Tu veux de l'argent? Tu veux quoi? Tu veux que je te check? Peut-être que je te lave les mains peut-être. Avec ma pisse. Oh Théma! What the fuck? Qui laisse traîner un Glock et une flaque de sang? Mais what the fuck? C'est quoi cet immeuble wesh? Éliminer le dealer fournisseur. Et ses fournisseurs. Ah. C'est ouvert. Oh putain.
I ain't seen
Nickel. On peut se barrer d'ici. Vas-y, Little Jacob.
Tell Batman that I got rid of the competition.
Righteous. They kinda belong to I again. And nobody gonna fuck with I
Ça leur apprendra à venir pisser sur mon territoire.
One love,
C'est
Nico.
le cas de le dire. Bah après, j'ai envie de te dire, ils pissent aussi sur leur territoire. Hein. Il y en a un là, il pissait dans le coin là. Dégueulasse. Espèce de gros putain de porc. Bah super, maintenant on se met dans la drogue. Bah ouais, bah de mieux en mieux, grand. Bah bien sûr. On tue des gens, on vole des bagnoles. On fait quoi d'autre? On va vendre de la drogue. Et puis quoi encore? Manquerait plus qu'on monte sur des braquages après, enfin, je sais pas. Qu'est-ce que c'est que cet endroit de merde? Le peace, le je sais pas quoi. Ah, c'est pas le truc où il y a les humoristes là? Final Destination. Oh, destination finale, gros.
Okay, nema problema.
Hi, Dimitri.
Hey, Dimitri, I took care of that thing for you.
Very good. I'm proud of you. Good.
Dimitri, thank you for taking care of that thing for me.
No problem.
Dimitri, hey, meet my girl Natasha.
Oh,
So
my
nice
pleasure.
to meet you.
Little delicious. A little connection.
Mikhail.
Hey, my brother Nico. Good. Sit down. Have a drink. Move up, ladies. Move up.
Mikhail, we have something we need to talk about.
Okay, you can have your alte Katrina. Come on.
Not
no
that.
big deal.
In private. Girls, can you give us a minute, huh? Please.
Get out of here. Keep it warm. I won't be too long. So, what is it?
We've got police trouble. The feds or someone are all over us. Sergei told me that a friend of his in the courts told him they've been authorized to tap our phones and they know about the pot we stole.
Shit. Who is the rat?
It's no one. It's just the way we've been behaving. Making too much noise. This was inevitable. We're going to have to calm things right down for a while.
It's that fucking guy, yeah. I know it is. I saw it in his eyes. You know? That guy. That guy who bought the coke. But he didn't buy the pot.
That's Lenny. He's my cousin's boyfriend. It's not him. Yes, he's a moron. Yes, but he's okay.
I don't trust him.
What? I just told you.
He knows too much.
Oh.
You, kill him.
Are you sure?
Sure? No, I'm not. Right now I'm wondering if it's him or you. It could be you.
Think for a second. This has been going on for months.
Think! Look where your thinking has got us. You were in charge of security. Good job. Well done, Dimitri. You pathetic idiot. You, prove you're loyal. Go and kill the guy.
Don't question my loyalty.
Then don't question my orders. He lives on Guantanamo Avenue in Bohan. Head up there and call me. Me personally, when you get there.
Mikhail, please, don't do this.
Shut up. Shut the fuck up.
I'm begging you.
I said shut the fuck up.
Please, don't do this.
Why don't you
listen? Want to play games? This is not a game. You have to play by the rules.
Super, allez. Maintenant le couple va de nouveau se disputer. Quelle bande de casse-couilles. Putain. Il est sur un quai de métro. Comment ça se fait qu'il est là-bas, lui? Il est avec ses potes.
Don't like you no more. It's nothing personal.
Faustin ain't nobody. Fuck off!
It's enough of a somebody to get you killed.
Do what my...
Wow! Putain, le bâtard! Ok, c'est fait. On peut se barrer d'ici maintenant. Bon bah écoutez les gens, je pense qu'on va s'arrêter ici honnêtement. Bon bah j'espère que la vidéo vous aura plu. N'hésitez pas à lâcher un pouce bleu et à vous abonner. Et sur ce moi je vous dis à la prochaine pour la suite. Ciao tout le monde, à bientôt.